Hello, Lily. Nice to see you as always. I was watching
Nice to
your
see
northern
you.
lights behind you before you came to class. What were you doing before you came to class?
I was eating hamburger.
I was eating.
Two hamburgers.
Oh, so I was eating two hamburgers. And I cannot eat two hamburgers.
One real and one this.
What is that? Is that some jelly?
Yeah.
Some candy jelly. Oh, so now you're eating a third hamburger. Lily, is this your third hamburger?
No, this is the second.
Ah, this is the second one. Lily, how was your weekend?
Good.
Did you have a nice, did you pack? Are you ready for your trip?
Almost.
Almost. Good. Yeah. You know, Lily, I'm a little bit sad today.
Why?
Say why? Why are you sad, teacher?
Why are you sad, teacher?
I'm sad because the weather outside is a little bit rainy and gloomy. It's even very dark. I don't know if you can see, but it's very dark and it's a rainy day. So that's why it's a sad day. How's the weather in Korea?
It was cold.
Did you see some snow?
Yeah.
But not
On
enough.
Friday.
Friday. Did you say
Yeah. I told you, right?
What about on the weekend? Did any snow fall on the weekend?
No.
No. Maybe when you come back from Hong Kong.
Maybe.
How's the weather in Hong Kong? Because Hong Kong is very south, so
It's hot.
maybe it will be warmer. Hot.
Yeah.
So you don't need to bring any jackets.
We have to bring one because when we come back to Korea.
Ah, okay. Good thinking.
Hong Kong's.
I see you are Are you searching something there?
Yeah.
What are you searching?
The weather.
Let's have a look. Where in
The Hong Kong's weather is on Wednesday. Let's see. Wait.
How is the weather on Wednesday? What's the high and what's the low?
On Wednesday it's 25 degrees.
25. 25 degrees Celsius, that's very comfortable. That's actually very nice.
And on what day? Thursday it's 26 degrees. And Friday is 24 degrees. And Saturday is 23 degrees. And on Sunday is 24 degrees.
So that's really comfortable. You will have a nice temperature there. You will not be hot and you will not be cold.
But in the stores it will be cold because they will have a lot of air cons.
They will have aircon. So don't stay too long in the store. Enjoy the warm
How
weather.
can we?
Enjoy the warm weather outside. Alright, Lily, let's have a look at today's class. Today we are going to look at some scientists that they used a 3D printer, and look at what they printed. They printed a robotic hand that's very similar to a human hand. This robotic hand can do almost anything that the human hand can do. It can hold, it can grip, it can open and close. And that's because the hand has bones like a real hand, it has ligaments like a real hand, and it has tendons like a real hand. Bones, ligaments, and tendons. Lily, can you read for me? Robotic hand.
Robotic hand with bones, ligaments, and tendons created for the first time using 3D printing.
I would love to have two of these hands. Two of these robotic hands. I would put them on my back. I would put a backpack and I will have two extra arms and hands, and then they can help me when I am cooking in the kitchen.
Why would you get a backpack?
So, because otherwise, how will the arms be there? How can they stand? They are not attached to my body. Lily, the connection.
Stick on it.
The connection seems to be a little bit bad. Are you able to hear me? Can you
Yes.
hear me, Lily?
Oh. Yes, I can hear. What about you?
I can hear you, but it's not
You
great.
can't hear me?
I can hear you, but it's not very good. It's not very clear. Okay, so let's try one more time. You were asking me something about the arms. Why I would put them in a backpack? Because they
Yeah.
are not attached to my body. I must put them somewhere. I can put it on my
Oh.
head. I can put it on my shoulder. Lily? Okay. Lily, are we back?
Yes, I am back. What about you?
I'm back. I'm back. Maybe are you touching something on the, what are you using? The pad? Are you using the notebook or computer? What are you using?
Notebook.
Oh, is it the notebook? All right. So let's talk about these three things, Lily. Bones, ligaments, and tendons. I think you know what are bones. Can you tell me? Bones are? How would you define?
Bones are, what should we say? Bones is our
Bones are hard, white tissue that
tissue.
makes up our skeleton. Can you read that one for me?
Bones are hard, white tissue that makes up our skeleton.
Okay, how about ligaments? If you look at the hand, those purple parts, is it purple, is it blue? I don't know. I think it's purple. Those are the bones.
Purple and blue.
Purple and blue. Those are the bones. But you see, those bones are connected to each other using ligaments. So ligaments connect the bones together.
Why is this thing like this?
What's happening, Lily? I see you are doing something with the camera. What are you doing?
I was like this.
Why were you sideways? Did you turn your computer on the side?
No?
Okay.
Like
Can you-
this? Maybe I can see it.
Oh, what are you showing me? What is that?
The ligaments. I think this is ligaments. I don't know.
Oh, no.
This
Those
is
are
the bloods.
no. Those purple, those are the veins. Those are the purple I meant in this picture. Look at this picture. In this picture. Not the purple on your hand, the purple in the
Oh.
picture. Yes, because this purple is very different to what's on our hand. This purple here, Lily, this is the bone. The bone is the purple part, right? and then the ligament is
Yes.
connecting the bones together. Can you see that?
Red?
Yes, that pink red. Okay, but then we also have tendons. What would tendons be?
Like this.
Okay, so let's write
don't
here.
know, maybe.
Tendons connect muscles to the bones.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, so Lily, can you tell me what are ligaments and what are tendons?
Ligaments are
Ligaments connect something, tendons
a
connect something.
ligament connects the skeleton.
Okay,
mean
they
the
connect the
bones?
bones to each other, yeah.
And tendons connect the muscles to the bones.
Okay, good. And that's the reason why this hand is so realistic. Why it works so well. Is because it was made from human design.
But how?
Okay, next one. Lily, we have a cat and a dog. They were a family, and the cat went outside, it ran away, and it went missing for 6 days. 6 days the cat was missing, and the owner was very worried and sad.
And the dog find for him?
And the dog helped the owner find the cat. Yeah, how do you think the dog found the cat? What is really strong on the dog? Which sense?
Nose.
What sense is that? The sense of?
What's that? Smelling.
Sense of smell. So the owner saw the dog was sniffing, and it started walking towards the forest. And the dog went into the forest. The owner is following the dog as it's sniffing, and they found the cat. It was stuck in a hole that it couldn't get out of. So, can you read for me? Determined hound.
Determined hound leads out to a cat stuck down 100-foot mine-shaped shaft for 5 days.
6 days.
6 days.
Okay, so Lily, can you tell me this short story? What happened to the cat?
The cat went outside leave the house.
It left the house?
Leave the house. And the owner was worried, and the dog started to sniff, and it was going towards the forest, and the dog find the cat stuck in a 100 feet mine
Okay, very
shaft.
good. And then they rescued the cat because they
Da,
found
da,
it.
da, 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 da.
Lily, what about your cat? What about Chocolate? If you left the door open, what would the cat do?
Chocolate is maybe the dog will go outside first.
But Chocolate is not interested?
Chocolate is maybe scared, I think.
Scared of the outside. So he stays inside?
Yeah, I think so.
And what about Coco? When you open the door in the morning to go to school,
Coco will go outside probably.
how do you stop him from going outside? When you leave in the morning?
He said, Coco, we'll call.
But what does that mean? If you call him,
Okay.
does he sit and he stays?
No, If we say Coco, then she comes to us.
So how do you stop Coco from leaving the door when you open the door?
Calling her. Calling her.
But if you're calling her, she's coming to you. And then she will follow you outside.
Yeah, if we say Coco and if we say Coco in angry voice, then she goes away.
She goes away. You are chasing her. I thought you were calling her.
When we say Coco in nicely voice, she comes, but if we put a little angry voice, then she goes away.
I see.
Very sensitive.
Well, but very smart as well. The dog can tell when the person is angry or when the person is happy to call them. Okay, Lily. Next one is about a flying car. This car can change into an aeroplane. It can transform into an aeroplane. Or the aeroplane can transform into a car. All you need to do is remove the wings. Can you say for me? Remove the wings and it is a car.
Remove the wings, then it is a car. But
How to remove the wings? Well, Lily, inside the car, inside over there, there is something which you turn, a knob that you loosen, and then the wings can come off very easily.
we can lose the wing easily.
If you don't put them away in a safe place, yes, you can lose them. But they are very expensive, so we will take care of them. Same as we take care of the car, we will not lose them. Okay, Lily, if I could get a flying car, are we with each other? Are you with me?
Yes.
I heard yes, but I'm not sure if you are with me. Okay.
Why?
Because the video is getting stuck and I'm not sure if it's Can you say for me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Well, then the sound is okay. Lily, how do we transform this aeroplane into a car?
There's a button.
Okay, so can you say for me, we must remove the wings and store them away safely.
We should remove the wings and what?
Store them away safely.
Store them away safely.
Lily, please read for me. Flying car.
Flying car you can park in your garage, lift off, and
Maiden voyage.
Maiden voyage. Meet the what?
$200,000.
$200,000
Switchblade. Switchblade is the name of this car. So, aeroplane. It costs $200,000. And
how much is it?
$200,000. In Korean money, it's about 200 million. Multiply by 1,000. So we add 6 zeros, 200 million. This number here. How do you say this in Korean?
Wait. 10, 100, 1000.
200 million.
I don't know. It's
Can you say for me? Can you say for me 200 million Korean won?
200 billion won.
Yeah, 200 million. Okay, Lily, do you see it says there maiden voyage? Maiden voyage means its very first trip. The very first trip is the maiden voyage. Can you tell me what is maiden voyage?
Maiden voyage is the first something.
The first trip.
Yeah, the first trip.
So Lily, do you remember the story about Titanic?
I didn't heard them all.
What do you mean all? There is just one. One Titanic.
I don't know them much. I know the Titanic sank.
Yes, so the Titanic sank on its maiden voyage, on its very first trip. Okay, so maiden voyage. What is maiden voyage? First trip. Did you know that the Titanic sank on its maiden voyage, its very first trip?
No.
It's very sad. It didn't do any
No.
other trips. The very first trip and it sinks. Alright, Lily, let's review our work. We are going to review with making sentences. Do you have your notebook with you?
Yes. Bye-bye.
Let's open to a new page and let's write today's date.
My mouse break.
Your mouse broke. It's not working.
I dropped the mouse.
Oh no.
This year is fine.
Okay, good. Let's see if it's still working. Test it.
Yes, it's still working.
Alright, good. But you don't need your mouse.
But yeah.
Alright, Lily, let's write today's
But
date.
still, I shouldn't break it.
Yeah, we don't want to break it. Today's date is November 20th, 2023. And we're going to start with the first one, which was 3D printing. Something was 3D printed. What was it?
The hand.
The hand. Okay, so let's make a sentence about the hand. And why was it very similar to a human hand?
Because it was made by a 3D printer.
Because it had bones, ligaments, and tendons that move like a real hand. So let's go here. Here is the first sentence at the bottom. A robot hand was made using a 3D printer. The hand has bones, ligaments, and tendons just like a real hand. Okay, let's define these words. Bones, ligaments, and tendons. Alright, Lily, when you finish writing that sentence, please read it for me. Oh, Lily, this is a very long sentence.
Yeah. A robot hand was made using a 3D printer. The hand has bones, ligaments, and tendons just like a real hand.
Okay, good. So now I want to ask you something. Lily, this notebook that you are writing the sentences in, do you open the notebook during the week when we are not having class? Do you look at the notebook? Do you look at the sentences that you wrote?
Sometimes.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Maybe if you want to review your work or you want to remember what did we talk about, you can look inside your notebook. Okay, I'm glad to hear that you are using it. Lily, we want to define the bones. What is a bone?
Bones are
Hard, white,
hard white tissue.
hard white tissue used that makes up our skeleton. What about ligaments? Lily, do you remember what do ligaments connect?
Yeah, bones.
Good. Can you make a sentence for me?
Ligaments connect bones.
Ligaments connect our bones. And what about tendons?
Tendons connect our muscle.
Connect muscles to our bones. Okay, Lily, did you finish writing?
Yes.
So I can close it. Lily, in this class, you are talking, I am talking, we are talking. But how much are you talking? And how much is teacher talking? We want to talk.
Many.
But what percent? So in the class, how much are you talking and how much am I talking? Is it 50-50? Are you talking 50% and I am talking 50%? Are you talking 100% and I am talking 0%? What is the percentage?
50 and 50.
50-50. That's a good percent. Can you say for me, we are both talking 50-50?
We are both talking 50-50.
I like that. That is fair. That is a fair class. You know, it's not fair if the student is talking or if the teacher is talking. If it's a 100% teacher, 100% student, it's not fair. So 50-50 is good.
Not
Lily,
fair.
do you have any questions for me about today's articles?
No.
Okay. Quickly, can you tell me the dog and the cat? What sense did the dog use to help rescue the
Smelling.
cat? Can you make a sentence for me?
Dog used smelling sense to find the cat.
Good. The dog used its sense of smell to help rescue the cat. Lily, if you don't have any questions, I'm going to wish you a wonderful trip to Hong Kong. Please take lots of photos and please, when you come back, I want to hear all about Hong Kong, okay?
Teacher, but I have a question.
Yes, what is your...
You had a handphone in the South Korea, right?
Yes.
And that phone number and this South African phone number is very different.
It's different, yes. I cannot use the South Korean number. I can only use South
Why?
African number. It's different. It is different.
Okay.
Okay, Lily. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.